Hello all of you, welcome to my channel Country Exposed. In this channel I will expose different spots of tourism of any country and try to expose some surprising facts and vice versa. Today I am going to discuss about tourist destinations of Lumbini. Short introduction about Lumbini. It is located in the Rupandrai district of province number 5 in Nepal. It is the place where Buddhist tradition Queen Mahamaya Devi gave birth to Siddhartha Gautam in 563 BC, who achieved enlightenment sometime around 528 BC. It is around 293 km from Tribhuvan International Airport and takes approximately 6 hours 50 minutes to reach there in taxi. From Gautam Buddha Airport, it is around 22 km and takes almost 37 minutes to reach there in taxi. Now let's discuss about tourist destinations of Lumbini. Number 1. Maya Devi Temple. It is an ancient temple situated at the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Lumbini, Nepal. Also the main temple in Lumbini. It is considered the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. The temple stands adjacent to a sacred pool and sacred garden. Outside there is a pond where Buddha and Maya Devi cleanse themselves. There is a Bodhi tree also, where the monks sit and meditate there. The temple was named by the Queen Maya of Sakya dynasty. Ashok pillar, walls and also decorated beautiful garden adds additional beauty to this temple. Number 2. Old Peace Pagoda. Also known as Japan Peace Stupa, is an early 21st century monument, a symbol of peace and a famous tourist attraction in Lumbini. The structure is a glorious stupa with a traditional pagoda style architecture, constructed by Japanese Buddhists at a cost of US $1 million. The monument is colored white with a golden Buddha statue. Number 3. Lumbini Monastic Site. Lumbini Monastic Site is a complex housing various temples and monasteries maintained to give insights into the life of Gautam Buddha. Also to understand the importance of Buddhism, its propagation and its evolution. The monastic site is divided into two sections by a water canal. The eastward section is called the East Monastic Zone and the westward zone is called the West Monastic Zone. The East Monastic Zone has monasteries where Theravada Buddhism is specifically practiced, and the West Monastic Zone has 14 Mahayana monasteries and 2 Vipassana meditation centers. Number 4. Eternal Peace Flame. The eternal old peace flame is a major attraction of the Lumbini garden. It is surrounding the artificial lake which offers great view. It is located near to the little Buddha statue in front of the waterfront. The flame kept glowing uninterrupted 24 hours in a day. It represents peace and fraternity in the world. It was brought from the United States of America as part of the celebration of the International Peace Year. Number 5. Royal Thai Monastery. It is located in the Eastern Monastic Zone in Lumbini. It is built by Thailand government. It is maintained in the typical Thai style architecture with beautiful garden surrounding it from the back. The beautiful designs and carving on the temple wall makes this place a must visitable place. Also the white marble and blue roof meditation center adds more beauty to this monastery. Number 6. Myanmar Golden Monastery. It is a monastery built by the Burmese government. It is in the form of stupa painted in golden color along with 4 corner pillars, 4 side magnificent gate, 4 different Buddha statues and other nearby smaller replicas of Bantes. Also there is a numerous painting inside it. It is in the pagoda style. Number 7. Daisong Korean Temple. It is an interesting beautiful temple designed in Korean architecture. Also the quite nice place to feel the nature and beauty of Lumbini. It has colorful murals on the ceiling. It even offers community sleeping area as well as 3 meals a day to visitors for a few days at a minimum cost of Nepalese currency 500 per day. Number 8. Kudan Stupa. From Lumbini it is about 27 km and takes 40 to 45 minutes to reach there in taxi. The Kudan Stupa is a welcome place to see the ancient architecture within a lush green environment. It offers excellent environment to fall in love with the mother nature, completely seeing the mesmerizing surroundings. This is earlier called Nigrodha, where Buddha met his father Suddhodhan. There is a Raul stupa and a place where Yasodhara fed Buddha. This is the place Buddha returned to after enlightenment to see his family. Okay friends, this much for today. I will upload another video very soon. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon too. Okay, take care, bye.